is a serpent. A snake, it is a serpent. A snake, in order for it to bite you, it has to come closer to you. But a snake, before it bites you, you don't see it, you see the time it beating you. Uthawe manga lunywa inyoka, but uyibona ngathi izokuluma, but isikulumile. Kunezinto okufuna uzazi ukuthi mezilapha kude zizokwenzeka. In order for those things to cause harm to you, they have to be closer to you, but stealthy, camouflaged. Abantu abalunywa zinyoka so akathi nje eyalapha ebona inyoka afika kuyona ifika imlume cha. So engayibonanga. Emise siyamluma ke inyoka. Kunabantu who are so called our friends, but as much as they are our friends, they are also friends. They also have friendship with our enemies. In order for that enemy of mine to attack me, that enemy will never come because he or she is already talking to somebody who is a friend of mine. Engisho ukuthi kunabantu empilweni yakho kufuna ubemukele ukuthi ma ngoba unkosikazi nemthandi angisiboni isidingo ukuthi ngilungisa la ekhaya ngoba umuntu engithandana naye nemthandi asibuyele lana ke ufuna umchazele umuntu ngoba uthi awuzwani nomalume umalume wakudayisa waboshwa yena wangaboshwa mina ngibona usekhona isidingo siswani ngoba phela umalume wami lokhuluma ngaye and kumalume kuzoba kanjani ukuthi mina my best friend wesitha sakhe. Kunabantu namhlanje abangaboni ukuthi hlehliswe yini empilweni yabo athi yazi uzuma kwenzekani uzuma kusho ukuthi ngathi usephakeme manje cha uzuma akaphakeme uphakamiso ukuthi wena uye best friend of mine who is also colluding with my enemies and I don't trust you again with my secret because izitha zami ayikho into eziyibuza kumina ziyibuza kuwena njengoba ngithi mina ngiye Malawi izitha zami itshela wena ukuthi ngihamba ngomhla kabani ngizohamba ngelephi ibhanoyi azibuzanga kumina zitshela wena but wena ezikutshela kona izitha zami mina ungitshela wena uthi awufuna ukuthutha indaba mekufuze ukuthi wena ungitshela ukuthi bathini uthi awuzithutha indaba yabo engisho ukuthi kunabantu empilweni ekufuna